Alright, I guess I'm ready. Let's do it.
What are they, like little space people? I can't tell.
Yes.
Alright, we going for it?
Yeah, man.
Dude, this is so sick that they made it 3D. I'm like so impressed right now.
It's so cute.
That is the aim of the game, is to be as cute as possible.
Whoa, this is so dope. It's third
Everything's
person?
really cute.
Whoa. Yo, dude.
Yeah, it's sick. I like it a lot.
Oh, it's buy one get one free. I see what y'all did.
Dude, I'm gonna play the crap out of this now.
Yeah, it's fun.
I'm so
I like
impressed.
it. Okay, so if I open this money capsule, does that also give you the chance to open it, or no? Or is it per person? I'm wondering about that.
I don't know, dude. I need to orient myself first. I just remember this map from the first one, but it's 3D now. This makes like the game a whole different thing now.
I can open that. Oh, you picked it. Okay, cool. So whoever picks it up gets it.
I feel like I bought it. How much money do you have?
11. I bought it. It was
okay.
34.
Oh, okay. I didn't mean to pick it up.
No, that's fine.
I'll buy next chest.
There's one right here. Middle mouse button is pink.
Ah. Cool. I like that. I'm gonna change it though.
Yeah.
Yo. This is so sick. What? I can fly? I can freaking fly?
Oh, what did you pick up? Oh, you
Whoa,
picked that
bro,
up.
this is such a trick. How did I not know this is coming out? I'm having so much fun right
Yeah, I had no idea either. Your
You can roll and everything too?
yeah, your R ability will stun. It seems like.
Oh yeah, it's nice. Just like the
rapid
first one.
fire.
Literally just like the first one. They kept the same abilities.
That's cool. I didn't play too much of the first one.
I played the first
remember
one a
not
lot,
being
dude.
good at it, and I was like, I don't want to do this.
I got to the last level, but I never beat it.
Receive a delayed heal after taking damage.
A healing drum. What?
That's tight.
So tight. Sarah, get this. Come play it.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh shit! I got the flight thing too.
It looks fun. I just feel like I'm gonna get a gift card and then I'll already have bought like all the games that I want right now.
Oh, that's okay.
I'll be like,
More games will come.
Yeah, I forgot that you can just equip everything. I love that about this game. You get some crazy combos.
Yeah.
I was literally thinking about this game the other day. I tried to play it with Nick a while back, but it wasn't working. I was so sad. And then, what do you know? It just really it came out with the second one. Oh, we got hell enemies behind us. Hey, they got the flamey boys. I think we should get Jack a copy of this. Sarah, maybe I'll just buy you one for your birthday and then give the other copy to Jack. You can play.
wow, a 2 for birthday gift? Wow.
Hey, no! That's not your...
I'm kidding. You know I'm sassy like that.
Yeah, you are.
Here's your birthday gift. I got it on sale.
I got one for Jack too.
It wouldn't be the birthday gift, just a birthday gift, you scrub. They can fill the healing jar.
Jack wants it. Maybe I split it with him. I'd get it if he would. At Jack.
Man's tripping right now, so I don't know how much help will be.
I know, huh? He's gonna be like, what do you mean? My roommate just texted me and asked me what my favorite adult beverage is. And I'm confused.
Tell her Captain and Coke, because you're an adult.
Oh, that's a good one. Yep.
Well, there's no way that she knows it's my birthday. So I'm like wondering why she's asking.
Whoa!
Kind of champ.
Ooh, dealing damage heals you.
I got nothing.
Dude, I'm so impressed with all of this right now. Hey, Leia, let me buy next thing. I have a ton of money. Hey, you got the wings too?
I got 74. Yeah.
Okay, I'm buying.
Good job.
Man, I can just fly forever or what?
There's a
Alright,
cooldown on it.
there you go.
Chance to critically shot. Oh, this one's good. I like this one. The crits are good for the boss battle.
This is the most unexpected, pleasant surprise this year. Oh, frick! Oh no! Oh, I fell.
You fall.
Yeah, I'm good though. I'll make it back up.
If you fall, you can dash right before you hit the ground, and it'll not take damage.
Oh, cool. Good to know.
Yeah, I figured that out in my single player 2 seconds ago. Yeah, there's big open space way up at the top here, so that's probably where we're gonna go.
Cool. I'm excited to see the boss. If it's like the worm, that'd be wild. Dude, I seriously played the crap out of this game. I'm so happy they came out with the second one.
You could probably fly up here if your thing's off cooldown.
I'm pretty much close to the ramp. I think. Yeah. Oh, you're right
Alright, so are you installing it or what?
Oh, who, me?
The other Sarah in chat, sorry.
No, I'm playing Deep Rock. If Jack splits it with me, maybe I'll get it. But see, if I want to buy a BMW, I probably should stop buying games.
You don't need a BMW.
Yeah, you can just have your Honda.
I know, but I also want a new apartment.
Here come lots and lots of enemies. Goodness.
Do you need help?
I'm okay at the moment.
You can rush. I'm just kind of sniping them from this distance.
Yeah, that's dope that you can shoot that far.
Bullets are definitely hitting.
Alright, I'm coming. I need to change some controls. I need to swap shift to control. And then
Yeah,
I don't
I
have to
did
do it
that.
this game, but and then I also want to change one of my side mouse buttons as the focus.
I did that.
Instead of the
too.
button.
I swapped a bunch of shit around.
Woo wee! This reminds me of the first Halo map, Combat Evolved.
Aw.
Yo, I'm really got some speed right now, my guy. But I guess I'm not supposed to go this way.
Where's the maybe
Where's the teleporter at? I feel like we did run through a big arch earlier. I swear. Oh, the gun sound effects are so dope.
I'm way the fuck up here, and there's nothing. I think this is out of bounds, but it's letting me be here.
Have we been over? We haven't been over there. We need to. There's a spot that we didn't go to. If you want to go back to.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, because I doubt I'm supposed to disappear. That doesn't seem right.
Alright, I'm gonna start trekking down. I'll wait for you on the bridge. But yeah, across the bridge, I feel like there's another part of the hill that could have gone up. I could be wrong though.
Oh, there's something over there. That Adam. Is this part of the map? I can't tell.
There's a lot of bots down here, dude. A lot of boys. We need more power-ups and stuff. It can be beefy. I am just so impressed. How did I not hear about this? I swear I hear about all the games.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Don't die.
I'm alive. Oh, damn.
Oh, you fell? Oh, that's a big red boy. Hello, big red boy.
I got us a gunner drone. Oh, there's the rock golems down here.
Yeah, was the gate down there? I'm gonna check out that other spot really quick. I'm gonna work over there. Is that cool?
Oh wait.
Really? It's my teammate.
Yeah, I found the teleporter.
Okay, cool. I'm coming.
Oh, we were right here. We were literally standing right next to it.
Yeah, I thought did we run next like this? I thought we saw something.
Huh. Alright, I'll activate it.
I got a lot of monies. What is it? Where is he? Oh god. Oh, it's a jellyfish boy. is so dope.
This is dope.
We have to stay inside the red, right?
I'm not sure. Maybe. Oh, I am taking damage from these fuckers down here. Oh god, oh god.
No, don't die. Don't die. Where you at?
I'm running.
I'm not gonna let him take you down, bro. Yeah, we got a lot of these boys. I'm getting pretty hurt quick. Oh, just pushing your way.
Oh, I died. You die in a hilarious pose.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I chunked the fuck out of him, man. Oh lord, I'm specking you now.
Oh, I'm close to death now. He's almost dead though. Yeah, he's
Nice.
dead.
That healing drone did work on you.
Yeah, crap. Oh, I should have shifted right there. I got pinned. Good round. That was cool.
Yeah, that was fun.
That's hella dope.